Honestly, since I'm just sitting here waiting for my ride to get here, I'm just gonna like make a video, a short. I'm just gonna say my 2023 goals. I'm hoping I've started a good learning on guitar. I bought one in March. I never learned it. I want to start learning that. I'm hoping to learn it in 2023. Hoping to get out of a lot of my debts. I've got a good job now, so I don't have to worry about doing that no more. I'm already in the club I was trying to join, so I can't make that a goal. I'm hoping to have new suspension on the bike. That'll be a goal. I'm getting Olins for the rear and Legends for the front of my dyno. That's a 2023 goal. That's something I haven't bought yet. I want to. This is gonna sound nerdy, but I've got like $1,500 in Star Wars cosplay shit in a cart too. So I guess the goal is to get that ordered, finished out, and looking proper, so it looks good instead of like I threw it down a flight of stairs or something. Social media wise, I'm on TikTok. I want to hit 2,000 followers. I'm already at 1,100, 1,200, something like that, and I'm slowly making more videos. YouTube, I want to get to 500. That's like a long ass ways out. Very unattainable currently, but I'm hopeful. So anyway, that's about all I got. I want to do a lot more riding too, so what are your guys' goals for 2023? Let me know in the comments. Ooh, this got such good acoustics.